This is the Interactive Cutting Room Explorer, a local manufacturing intelligence tool built around actual fabric cutting production data. The main view gives supervisors and manufacturing engineers an immediate summary of production volume, cutter activity, cut perimeter, cutting time, average speed, layers, interruptions, and gross operating time.
The Explorer can be scoped without leaving the main workspace.
Analytical signals are designed to lead directly into evidence rather than simply displaying alerts. Here, the machine workload workspace compares cutters across the selected scope. It combines production totals, cutter-level metrics, a timeline of activity, and the marker mix assigned to each cutter. The graph can be changed between different workload measures, and individual points remain available for closer inspection. The goal is not to label a cutter as good or bad, but to make differences in workload and behavior visible enough to investigate.
Returning to the Explorer preserves the original scope and filters. Marker rows can still filter the main dashboard, while a separate investigation action opens a dedicated marker workspace. The Marker Investigation Workspace translates encoded manufacturing names into practical floor knowledge. In this example, the system identifies a throw pillow pattern associated with a specific sofa style. The workspace summarizes how often it was cut, which cutters handled it, its total perimeter and cut time, and the average physical details of the pattern, including layers, pieces, notches, drillings, lengths, and perimeter. Selecting an individual cut opens the supporting evidence, including cut time, total time, interruptions, cutter, pattern geometry, material measurements, and additional recorded timing details. Closing the evidence view in Marker Workspace returns the user to the same Explorer state without losing the selected source, scope, or active filters. Cutter investigations provide a different perspective. This workspace focuses on one cutter and shows its workload, production totals, timeline, marker history, and analytical signals within the current Explorer scope. Date range activity can be viewed across time, while marker rows provide the supporting production mix behind the cutter's totals. This creates a direct path from a high-level observation to the records responsible for it. The Explorer also supports narrower operational questions. Filters can isolate a marker category, cutter, hour, or production family, and every summary, chart, table, and signal updates against the same shared scope. Returning to a marker workspace, cutter comparison cards show how many times each cutter processed the marker, its average cut time, total perimeter, speed, layers, and interruptions. The duration chart displays each cutter as a separate series, making repeated activity in periods without cuts easy to recognize. The chart can be expanded for a larger comparison while retaining the exact same underlying records. Because marker decoding is part of the application's domain layer, the same investigation workflow works across different furniture styles and component types, rather than treating every marker as an opaque file name. This example identifies the product and frame context directly, then brings together production totals, physical pattern details, cutter comparison, cut duration history, individual records, and technical decoding in one workspace. The result is more than a reporting dashboard. It is an evidence-based manufacturing investigation system designed to help users understand what happened, locate the supporting data, and decide what deserves closer review.